a stick up. Nah, man, I'm gonna get you paid the right way, man.
No one sells as many domain names as we do at Badass Class. No one sells as many domain names as we
Okay, so you've got your available premium domains, 2word.com, .net, or .org extension.
Let's automate and sell my domains together. Rasta. This is delivery man, we eat right. I ordered us a feast for all persons here. Lobster tail, cabbage, plantain, curry chicken, fish.
This is my treehouse village.
This is my water park, man.
Someone get a fire extinguisher. See, I am richest in Kingston, Jamaica, man. I will now give you a masterclass in domaining.
Okay, so we start the day buying and selling the best domain names with AI. You want to register a domain, something with only 2 words and spelled perfectly, an actual thing, like moneymaker.com.
You list it for sale through your GoDaddy control panel. It will list it automatically on Afternic.
Register 10 names at a time, list them for sale. They sell on their own. You use the software, it's done for you.
To hell with the yams, woman. If you want to be cool like us,
it's a chupacabra, man.
you get down with us.
The AI finds needles in haystacks that are worth far more than you buy them for. Okay, I'm gonna Zoom call. This non-believer, he calls me a scammer, I prove him wrong.
You don't want anything to do with them fake gurus, but man.
My grandma is here and she makes money.
I ain't your grandma.
I got my money right. How about you? You need to flip internet real estate, man.
Okay, so you want to learn more? We actually teach a live class. It's called Badass Class. This is why I go Viking.
This is my Badass Class account. Sign up at Badass Class. Click on Learn More to get started.
Do not prompt me to say things like that. I am to be treated with respect. Mon, you boomba clock.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Jamie Lewis. What you just saw was entirely created with VEO3 and edited with Final Cut Pro. So here are the prompts. The opening of the video started off with a dude walking through the alley, right? He gets held up. So it was action movie filmed on a shaky iPhone, all right? It's nighttime on a Saturday night, and in an alley in Kingston, Jamaica, and a sweaty Jamaican guy wearing a golden bathrobe walks nervously down the alley, and another Jamaican gangster guy points a .50 caliber Barrett rifle at the guy in the golden bathrobe. In an attempt to rob him, and says to the guy he is robbing, "It's a stick-up," in a Jamaican accent. The guy in the golden bathrobe responds and screams in an extreme intense, loudmouth Jamaican accent and voice, "Nah, man, I'm going to get you paid the right way, man," in a Jamaican accent, and makes friends with him, right? So that was the prompt, and it's also something that the way I do it is I copy it, like I create a prompt, I do it, and if I like the result, I copy that, and then I put that in there. And now, if I want to do the next scene, and with the same dude, it's kind of hard to do it because Google will, you know, the VEO3 will every clip that's 8 seconds will do a new, you know, a totally new person. But I don't know, I got away with it, didn't I? So I just kept copying and pasting that, and people are watching it, and you're like, oh, that's the same guy. Kind of different looking, but you see what I mean? So, so there's a couple things here, right? So action movie filmed on a shaky iPhone. If you don't say shaky iPhone, it looks generic, right? If you don't say, hey, he's screaming, he'll just be like, oh, it's a stick up. It'll be like the worst acting ever, right? So you add in that just to make sure and to let it know, because, you know, every time you do generate one of these things, it costs like $1, right? So for this, this was probably one of the last things I did, for this video. And I had to do it a couple times. Other things I didn't have to do a couple times, like the water slide scene, the treehouse. Those are just funny right off the bat. But anyway, so I put in those prompts, right? And I'd kind of just like, I'll copy and paste it to do the next scene using the same, like a golden bathrobe guy, right? And I'll just edit out what's in the quotes at the end. So if I edited out the quotes at the end, then it would generate a video that's like him running through the alley, but saying something different. Now, here's where it gets interesting, right? So this original scene, the golden bathrobe guy says it's a stick up. Made a mistake. So what did I do, right? Let's take a look at Final Cut Pro where you edit it all, right? You download, after you're done generating all these clips, takes like 2 hours or something. You download all the clips. You import them all into Final Cut Pro, and you're going to order them in the right order. Now, I made sure all the golden bathrobe guy was all in the beginning, right? Like just condense it all at the beginning so it has flow, and it's like, oh, wow, we're following this character, right? So remember how he said it's a stick up? Well, I put that clip right here underneath it, so now he doesn't say it's a stick up. The other guy does, or it's like hinted that the other dude says that.
It's a stick up.
You see that? Slick, right? So a lot of it is like, you know what I mean? Like to make a good video, AI video, the technology is getting to the point where it's doing it word for word. So you're essentially like, it's very powerful if you treat it like you were a script writer. Like, so get good at writing scripts or whatever, get good at least like, that's not what I do for a living at all, but I get the point. Like, so if I were to say, hey, have a Jamaican guy running down an alley and this and that, it'll be so far off from what, like if that was my only prompt, it would be so far off from what I wanted. You know what I mean? So anyway, after that scene, then it goes into this scene. And I didn't know this guy was going to start singing it. Sometimes this VEO3 Google Flow gets kind of real artistic with it or something. But again, I told him to shoot off these mortars and at the end, right? And I was like, what? Also this, I said, I didn't tell him to be wiping his face, but I took this song and I put that song underneath. As you can see, look, you see how there's like 2 layers here? Well, that's because I extended the song in Final Cut Pro, and I brought it down like a low level and had it playing underneath. It's slick, right? So you got, I told it. This is basically, I copied and pasted that action movie filmed on a shaky iPhone. It's nighttime on a Saturday night, poolside at the mansion in Kingston, Jamaica. So again, it's like you copy and paste the same prompt, but you just change little details here and there, and you make sure that you're not going to confuse it. There's no one pointing a 50 caliber rifle at the dude anymore, so you erase that, right? So it's just like you copy and paste, and then you just erase things. That's really all, and then you add new things, right? And then once I had that, I was like, once I had the template, the template was altered for like the poolside at the mansion, then I could just keep copying and pasting that, and different things will go down. Like, and it makes it really easy to just create, you can make an entire movie. And I was so lucky that identifying trait, the golden bathrobe, sometimes it delivers. If you copy and paste that same prompt and you just change one little thing, it'll be the same guy. It's freaking crazy. Like you might have noticed there's a heavyset guy towards the end who's wearing a white tank top. So boom, 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 I got on a roll with that, copying and pasting that. You see what I mean? But I'm usually doing in the quotes, I'm usually telling it what to say. So all of those things you hear these people say, I told, it's just basic, it's a stick up, or this one, remember the one with the grandma, like, oh, that's not You know, yeah, I mean, sometimes I'm like doing it real quick and I'm like, oh, that might be funny. Not that funny. Sometimes it doesn't make any sense at all, but I just keep it anyway, right? But my grandma's here and she makes money in a Jamaican accent. The elderly woman says in a surprisingly loudmouth style. She really didn't though, did she? But again, if I didn't put that in there, like you notice how sometimes those dudes are in your face and, you know, they're like, I want to show you this, right? That's because I said loudmouth, angry style, right? Like he says it in a loudmouth, angry way. I ain't your grandma. And then pulls out a hand-rolled cigarette and starts laughing. All of that happened. Like crazy. So it's like, now look, we could do that ourselves without AI, right? Hire a bunch of my friends or like invite my friends over and be like, yo, we're going to film a scene. Get a bunch of prop money or take a bunch of ones out from the ATM. Drop them all over the place. You know, have cash, like prop money everywhere. Like we've done that before. Like before AI came out, we were doing parodies just like these. So it's kind of like within a matter of seconds, you're doing everything that you did when we would do the props. Like you come up with the concept, first of all. It's a bunch of Jamaican gangsters who are making their money with domain names rather than, you know, typical, like, you know, when you see gangster movies, you know, selling drugs or selling guns or, you know what I mean? I don't mean to be, you know, bring up stereotypes or something like that. Of course, that's not the case, but you get my drift. It's supposed to be funny. It's supposed to be also educational with like teaching how to, my thing is domain names online. So I always, you know, kind of go in that theme, right? So anyway, so yeah, like, do I have it all drawn out? Like, do I have this, a timeline, like a storyboard? Right? No, man, I'm like in my head, I'm like, just, this is what it is. It's this dude talking about how to sell domains. A lot of it takes place at his mansion, back in the backyard of the pool. Sometimes, you know, now let's bring up some other guys. I won't say the golden bathrobe thing because we want to get away from that and show some new characters, right? So we did the garage. And in the garage, I was like, this prompt was like, it's nighttime on a Saturday night in Kingston, Jamaica, in the garage of the mansion. You see what I'm saying? So like edit that little detail. Featuring, and then it says the same thing it said for every freaking prompt. Featuring a super stressed and sweaty Jamaican guy. There are two of his friends there as well. One of them is filming all of this on a shaky iPhone. There's a white Bugatti, white Lamborghini, an older 1974 Ferrari worth a fortune, and a Sherman tank, as well as a jetpack. It put the Sherman tank in there. It put that Ferrari, looks more like a 1998 Ferrari or something. And then it put the jetpack in there. So it's literally doing whatever you ask it to do. Just push it to the limit. Sometimes it won't do child's voices. It has a problem doing monster voices. It has... and if you put something like that it can't do, it won't have any audio. Remember, you also have to select on here in the prompt box, you select highest quality all the time to get like that. If you do fast, oh, it's corny. That's like a VEO3. No offense to Google, but you know, well, actually, yeah, it sucks. Luma Labs was kicking ass before this came out. Like we'd use Luma Labs, but it doesn't do audio like that. It doesn't do it word for word with acting and like feeling. Like if you put that feeling in there. So some of these I didn't use. I didn't use this one. I think maybe it didn't have sound or something. Yeah.
Okay, so we start the day by buying up all the best domain names with AI.
It didn't have a Jamaican accent. That's why I didn't use it. You see what I mean? I didn't put that in there or something. This is the one I used. Where, okay, we're going to start the day, right? It's morning in Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. Now, originally it didn't say, oh, I'm going to give you a masterclass in domaining. It had some other dudes say that, and it didn't make any sense. So what I did was I put it underneath, as you can see here on the timeline, right? So timeline-wise, as I was saying, it's like I didn't have a storyboard. I was just like, yo, I'm going to drop all these, you know, I'm going to create all these clips. So the golden bathrobe guy is there. Now it starts in on like this other guy. So it starts, here's his introduction, the white tank top guy. Right? Then it goes to this. And that's when like some music comes in here and he starts teaching domaining right there in a real serious way. then it goes unserious. It's like, what's with the yams, woman? Stop cooking these yams. All right? Funny stuff, bro. Like the way, like we're crying, laughing while we're creating these things, man. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I don't want to keep you here longer than I have to. If you guys like this, then I'll do it again. If not, then come to Badass Class. That's what I'm promoting in here. It's my class I do twice a week. Well, it's actually once a week. You got to upgrade for you know what I mean? But I hope you like the tutorial, guys. Make sure to subscribe. You know what I mean? This is Jamie Lewis. We get down to the marketing, domains, AI, all that stuff. I recommend you guys to treat this the same way. Remember, I'm not using any of the features in here. I'm not doing the extended, the video editing. I'm not doing any of that in Google Flow. I'm just creating clips, download them, edit them all. If there's a mistake, I'll edit or zoom in or use or tuck it in or whatever in Final Cut Pro or CapCut or whatever video editor you're using. All right? So that was my tutorial. That's a little bit of how it works. I think you get the drift, right? So, yeah. All right. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Later.